Good morning, everyone. Namaste, Modern School. Namaste, Modern School. I would like to thank you in advance for your interest in this celebration. I hope that what I am about to say you will find interesting and informative about Himachal Pradesh. Devbhumi or Veeron ki Bhumi, land of gods and the land of braves. Himachal is a mountainous state in northern India and capital is Shimla. The state varied topography in which includes extensive snow-capped peaks, green valleys and forest. Himachal is a stunning location to live in and to move in. Himachal is surrounded by Uttarakhand, Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir, which has a great deal of pride in heritage and culture. People of Himachal speak different languages such as Dogri, Hindi, Tibetan and Kandhari. As well as your Buddhism and Hinduism are two primary religions in which the Christianity also had a significant presence in this state. I am sharing something special about Kullu's Diwali. मिठाइयों, पटाखों और रंगोलियों से परे दिवाली का त्योहार देखा है। कुल्लू की दिवाली में कुछ नया और कुछ खास देखा है। कुल्लू की वादियों में बूढ़ी दिवाली एक अनोखा एहसास जगाती है। जब पहाड़ों के सामने दिए की लो छोटी पड़ जाती है, तब मशालों की रोशनी कुल्लू को और जगमगाती है। दिलों से दिलों को जोड़ने का सलीका कुल्लू की दिवाली मनाती है। That's why Himachal is a reason to move and for all season and for all region. So once in a life to visit Himachal Pradesh to see glory of mountain and forests. Now we group S3 here as a Himachal presenting a folk dance in between with you. Thank you and so much.
Te বিশেষ তরুণ